Hey there guys, if you've gotten a MSD 6AL and you don't know if it works, here's a video on how to check. So yeah, if you've picked up your MSD box, this one specifically is a 6420. It should work for other versions of the MSD box, and you don't know if it actually works or not, here's a quick way to check. Now we're going to use the Focus here and its little battery to just plug in and see if we can get a spark. Alright, now this is pretty simple. This is your main wires coming out, your positive and negative. Somebody colored this red wire black, but this is going to be our ground, so we're going to do something pretty simple, just plugging it into the ports here. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is our key on. It comes off of the smaller red wire. I've gotten a little flip switch just wired in, and I'm going to wrap it just around the positive post. Alright, just right there. So now we have that running. And then you have two other small wires running out. I have little speaker cords because that's all I had. That's going to be an orange and a black. That's going to be for your blaster coil. So the best way to do that is really to find a ground. Luckily my Focus here has a little ground stud for jumping it. You want to be about half an inch or so away. And then this white wire, it's going to be white all the way from the box out, is the older spark trigger. You could jump these two and have the same effect, but this is so much easier. And I've just extended all these wires just to make it all work. So let's go ahead and turn it on. All our wires are hooked up. Alright, so we're just going to hit this white wire here on the ground, and then you should see a spark from the spark plug to that little ground plug. Alright guys, so as you can see with that simple setup, you can go ahead and test your MSD box, see if it's good or not. You can actually do it at the swap meet if you have a battery laying around. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more content. See you guys next time. Bye.